Okay, welcome to another episode of Fix It with Patrick. Today I've got our Gardena Sileno. This should work for any of the Automower models that they have. And today I needed to change the blades out and get it ready for the season. So first thing, we just flip it over. And we'll see here, we've got the blades are just showing here. These are really rusty. Not sure how long these have been on there, really. So we're just gonna take those and replace those. I've just got some up here. I can send a link to the ones that I'm using here. But you can find a lot of different options online there. But what you're gonna do is we're gonna take a screwdriver, just unscrew. You have to kind of hold this blade here. This, let's say the cylinder that's spinning there. A little challenging there. We'll take the screws out. The next one here. There we go. They do have a little blue Loctite on them to help so they don't get lost in your yard, so it can be a little challenging to get off there to get them to pop. Okay, that's all three there. So today I'm replacing with like a double-sided. I use these on my other Husqvarna as well, same ones, so this should work fine. The same size overall. Put a new screw in there. Screw that down. Just screw that down snug. You don't have to put over tension on it. Say that if you have, oops, I just dropped a one screw down the hole there. Just flip it over and out it comes. See a little blue Loctite on there, so that keeps the screw from backing out while it's in the yard and worried about there being a blade in your yard. Okay, there we go. That's it. Hope this helps.